So in this video, we will be installing or updating Betaflight configurator. So here's Betaflight over here. It's already installed, and then you will see a notice. I'm currently running Betaflight 10.7, 10.71, which is right here. The latest version is 10.72. Before we even get to here, if you have not installed Betaflight before and you're new to FPV, you just have to go to Google Chrome or Firefox, hopefully not Windows Explorer. When you get here, you just type in Betaflight. You will get the website. This is the home page. Click on the home page. Then we scroll down all the way at the bottom. And here, we're going to look for the configuration tool. This is what we need. Click on the latest configuration releases. And here you go. You want to look for the latest version. Now, since I'm running Windows 10, so this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Windows 32.exe file. So just gotta scroll down. I'll look for Windows 32.exe. The 86.64. This is for Linux-based version, and Mac OS X is for Macs and Linux, blah blah blah. But we're looking for our Windows.32 because we have running Windows 10. So click that. You get the download, and then you will go ahead and install it. So, but before we can do that, let's go back to if you are running Betaflight and you want to update. So you will go to, exit this here. So you just go to visit this page to download the latest release. Click on this page. Then we're gonna get Betaflight 10.7, the latest version. And again, we're gonna look for .windows 32.exe. Scroll down and poof, there it is, 10.7. You're gonna download this version right here. Show in the folder, and you will see it is the exact same copy. So whichever way that you do it, we're gonna get the latest version. Okay. Now here it says that we need to uninstall Betaflight before we update the version. So we are going to uninstall the current version of Betaflight. So we're gonna hit close. I'm going to exit here. Minimize, exit, and then we're gonna just type in control panel. Okay, so on the control panel, we're gonna look for uninstall programs. Just type in B for Betaflight configurator, which is this one right here, 10.7. 0.1 is the version that I have installed on my computer. I'm going to uninstall. Alright, closed. So Betaflight is gone from here. We exit. Then we go to our downloads folder, downloads. And we can see Betaflight 10.7.2. Then run as admin. You don't really need to do this, but I just do it. I'm gonna install it for me. Then here we go, 10.7.2, and we don't get the notification anymore. So now that's just updating to the latest version or installing the latest version to Betaflight. So if you've only updating, you don't need to install any drivers. But if this is your first time installing Betaflight configurator, you will need to install the latest driver, the SMTM USB VCP driver. So you can just hit this right here. It's gonna open up your browser, and you're gonna go to this website, and then you hit get software, get the latest version, you accept the prompt, and then you fill in your name, and then you also put an email address, and it's going to send you the file via email. So it takes just about a few minutes until you get it. So I've already done this before, so I'm not gonna do it again, but you basically just fill that out and you get the latest driver. The latest driver right now is 1.5.0. okay, now once you get it, you're gonna download it. You're gonna go to your downloads folder, I think the last time I installed this was in February, so I'm just gonna look for it, and it is right here. This was installed, downloaded in February. So if you open it up, then it's going to be in a zip file, and here you see a VCP 1.5 setup, 64-bit, 32-bit. You pick the version for your computer, and I will show you that it's installed. So we're just gonna go to Windows Control Panel. Then we're gonna go to our programs, and I'm gonna look for Virtual Component Driver, STM, Microelectronics, installed February 22 of last year. Version 1.5.0. Okay, so it's already installed in this computer. So once we install this, we should exit Betaflight and log back into it. So you can exit Betaflight and reopen it. You may need to restart your computer depending on what it is. So this driver here will work for most of your flight controller, but if you have an older flight controller and it's not connecting, you can install this version right here, the CP210X driver also. So yeah, so once you install that, and you are all set to plug in your flight controller. So we'll be plugging in our flight controller over here. Boom, and this is our flight controller connected, and we're using a Diatone Mamba F4 flight controller. Okay. What else? Yeah, you can also do auto connect. So whenever you plug in your flight controller, it automatically goes straight to the menu. Okay. And this should be automatic. You don't have to mess around with this thing. And yeah, so you've downloaded Betaflight Configurator to mess around and update your flight controller. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.